In this video I will show you how to edit like Zach King in Filmora Mobile.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements Envato. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
First you need to import clips like mine to edit like Zach King. Now cut this specific parts of the video. Before the ball hits you need to cut on that part and move the other clip under the first clip like I did. Now cut the part when dropping the egg and we will make a mask of that clip. Now go to mask and select circle mask and watch how I move with the mask here. You need to play with the mask, that is the tricky part, but it will look amazing. I will try several ways with the mask because it is very tricky and you can mess it very easy. The mask tool is very tricky with the phone, but it's not that hard, you will get it with short time. Here I'm making sure to select all the part from the pan on the mask. You can see how I play with the mask. Make sure to have perfect timing when the mask video shows so it looks perfect and clean. Here I'm cutting the millisecond part so it looks clean. Now I will make the speed of the first clip slow so it looks smooth. And then move the clip below to the end. Here is the video we got. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.